Hi students, in this tutorial we're going to go ahead and download the Visual Studio community version. So just open your web browser and just Google this value here, this text, download Visual Studio, and then here you can actually see this link, downloads Visual Studio official site. So just click on this link here, and then it's going to actually guide us to a page that we can actually download the specific versions of Visual Studio. So as you can see, we have different versions of Visual Studio. We have Visual Studio Community, we have Visual Studio Professional, and Visual Studio Enterprise. In this course, we are going to use this one, Visual Studio Community, right? Free, fully featured IDE for students, open source, and individual developers. So that's the version of Visual Studio that we actually need, okay? So just click on this free download button here. And now it's going to actually, as you can see, it's going to show you this message, congratulations. So now you can actually click on this get started. So first, it's going, as you can see, it's going to download this exe file for you here. So just click on it here. And then here, click on yes. So now let's actually wait a little bit here. So as you can see, we have this Xamarin. So it says it's actually for creating applications for different platforms. So we don't need it here. So let me actually show you this message. It says Visual Studio. So just click on continue. So give us a minute, we'll be done soon. So here, as you can see, this page is now opened for us. So now it says Universal Windows platform development, desktop development with C++, and we have all these features that we can actually download, right? But the one that we need actually is actually universal platform development, create applications for the universal Windows platform with C#, VB, JavaScript, or optionally C++. So check this checkbox here. And we have .NET desktop development, also check this checkbox. So we don't need this one, desktop development with C++. And we have also ASP.NET and web development. So we can actually also check this checkbox. And we have Node.js development, build scalable network applications using Node.js, and asynchronous event-driven JavaScript runtime. So we don't need this one here, but if you want to, you can actually download it, this package. And we have Office, SharePoint development, we have Azure development. So let's actually check this checkbox here for Azure development. We have data storage and processing, connect, develop, and test data solutions using SQL Server, Azure Data Lake, Hadoop, and or Azure ML. So also check this checkbox. And we have mobile development with .NET, build cross-platform applications for iOS, Android, or Windows. So let's actually also check this checkbox here. And we have game development with Unity. So we don't need this one here in this course. So I think these packages are enough. So we actually downloaded this one and this one. We also downloaded this one and this one. And finally, we downloaded the mobile development with .NET here. So let's just click on install here. And as you can see here, it's actually starting to download the resources. So we should wait a little bit here. So I'm going to pause the video here.